What if you could drive from London to Rome and never stop for gas once? This is the 2027 BYD Song Plus. It just reset the rules for the family SUV. BYD isn't just making electric cars. Anymore, they're making range anxiety a relic of the past. With a total range of 1,500 kilometers, this isn't just a car. It's a logistics miracle. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the 2027 Song Plus, the SUV that is putting Toyota and Honda on notice. Under the hood, the 2027 model debuts the 5th generation DMI system. It uses a high-efficiency 1.5-liter engine that acts as both a power source and a generator. The result? Even when the battery is empty, you're still getting 60 miles per gallon. But the real upgrade is the battery itself. The new 26.6 kilowatt-hour blade battery gives you over 110 kilometers of pure electric range. And for the first time, the Song Plus supports fast DC charging, taking you from 30 to 80% in just 55 minutes. Visually, the 2027 Song Plus evolves the Ocean X design language. It's sleeker, with slimmer LED headlights and a more aggressive, aerodynamic bumper that helps it cut through the air. Inside, it's a tech sanctuary. The signature 15.6-inch rotatable screen now runs on the faster D-Link 100 system with 5G connectivity. You've got a crystal gear selector, dual 15-watt wireless chargers, and a 10-speaker Infinity audio system. It's the kind of interior quality you'd expect from a car twice its price. But it's not just about the screens. BYD has re-engineered the 4-link rear suspension for 2027. Giving it a ride quality that finally matches its premium looks. It stays flat in the corners and acts up bumps like a luxury cruiser. Combined with the D-Pilot 3.0 safety suite, which includes Level 2 autonomy and a 3D panoramic, this is officially the safest and most comfortable Song Plus ever built. 2027 BYD Song Plus proves that you don't have to choose between efficiency and luxury. It's the ultimate family workhorse for the electric age. Would you take this over a RAV4 hybrid? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you at the next stop.